Hello my dear students, I am your English teacher Shipra Agrawal, and today in this video I am going to discuss with you the multiple choice question answer of the chapter 2, the sound of music. As your examinations are very near about, so this video I made for your revision purpose. So be attentive while watching this video. Let's begin. The first question is, who was deaf in the lesson The Sound of Music? Aveline, Ron Forbes, Bismillah Khan, Aveline's mother. Yes, the right answer is Aveline. You know that this is the story of Aveline. How old was Aveline when she went to Royal Music Academy? 17 years old, 18 years old, 19 years old, below 17. Recall the chapter, my dear students. In the very first paragraph, this description is written that she was going to the Royal Academy Music of London when she was not yet completed her 17. So the right answer is below 17. When was Aveline deafness noticed? When she was 18? When she was 19? When she was 8? None. The right answer is when she was 8. Her mama noticed this. Okay, students? When she was 8 years of age. When was Aveline deafness confirmed? Confirmed by the specialist. Noticed by the mother, but it is confirmed by the specialist. At the age of 5, at the age of 6, at the age of 8, at the age of 11. It is confirmed at the age of 11. Who helped Aveline to continue with her music? Her mother, teacher, father, Ron Forbes. Student, here clearly name of the teacher is mentioned. So, we will make tick against the name of the teacher, that is Ron Forbes. Who spotted Aveline's potential? Her father, friends, mother, Ron Forbes. Once again, the right answer is the name of the teacher, Ron Forbes. Which places had Aveline worked for? Poor children, prisons and hospitals, schools, none. The right answer is prisons and hospitals. Next, what was life for Aveline? Without that, Aveline could not live. That is dance, nature, music, all. Yes, the right answer is music. Where was the Royal Music Academy? It is in US, Birmingham, Paris, London. Remember this thing. This is very important question. The Royal Music Academy is in London. What did Aveline want to pursue? Fashion, study, music, none. The right answer is music. Next is, what did Aurangzeb ban in his palace? Playing of pungi, playing sitar, playing music, none. Yes, the right answer is playing of pungi. Why was playing pungi in Aurangzeb palace banned? It had a sharp sound. It was not good. It was unpleasant. All. So the right answer is all. Above all. Who thought of improving the sound of the pungi? A musician, a singer, a barber, none. Yes, the right answer is a barber. How is the Shehnai different from the pungi? Shehnai has a better sound. Shehnai looks more beautiful. Shehnai is made of wood. All. The right answer is Shehnai has a better sound, because the main difference is the sound, not the beauty. Who changed the perception of the Shehnai? Tansen, Aveline, Bismillah Khan, all. The perception is changed only by Bismillah Khan. Where was the Shehnai played traditionally? In temples, in wedding ceremonies, auspicious ceremonies, and above all. Yes, my dear students, the answer is above all. When did Bismillah Khan get his first big break as a Shehnai performer? In 1983, when All India Radio came into existence, 1945, 1987, 1989, his big break was on All India Radio. Why did Bismillah refuse to go to the USA? Because the Shehnai had no future. He didn't like the place because of his love for Banaras and River Ganga, and above all, the right answer is option C, love of Banaras and River Ganga. Where did Bismillah play the Shehnai on 15th August 1947? Ganga Ghat, in Banaras, Red Fort, Kashi. Yes, the right answer is Red Fort. The next one. Why was the event of Shehnai playing on 15th August a historic one? Bismillah became popular. People appreciated his performance. It was Independence Day. It was the Independence Day. From where did Shehnai get its name? From barber, Nai in Hindi plus King Shah in Hindi. From a barber, King gave its name Nun. Yes, Shah plus Nai is Shahanai. It means the first one. Shehnai is a refined version of which instrument? Musical instrument, mouth organ, guitar, pungi. Yes, it is pungi. Where did Bismillah give his first break through his performance? At the Red Fort, at Varanasi, at All India Radio USA. Student, remember this, he get his big break at All India Radio. Who all were present on the event of 15th August? Nehru, Gandhi, all eminent people. Above all, the right answer is above all. Students, Gandhiji's description is not given. It means it is not mentioned in the chapter, but you know at the time of independence he was present there. And all the eminent people, including Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Why did people discourage Evelyn to pursue music? It was not considered good. It was difficult. It was expensive. Because she was deaf. Yes, actual problem with Evelyn was that she was deaf. What did Ron Forbes advise Evelyn? Forget music, listen to music, feel music with her body? None. He suggested actually, student, listen music some other way. Means listen music not by ears, by feeling. So the right answer is feel music with her body. Feel music with her body. Yes, the right answer is C. How did Evelyn hear music? Through drums, through fingers, by feeling vibrations through her different parts of body, finger, hair, feet, all. The C means he hear music by different body parts. Okay. These are only the instrument for training, but actually he listened body by different body parts. What did Evelyn want to spread through her music? Message of love, peace and happiness. Music is not difficult. Music is not difficult for deaf people. Deaf people can learn music. Actually, student, music was her life. So she wanted to spread the message of love, peace and happiness. Who played Shehnai at King's Palace? A barber, musician, singer, courtsman. Yes, the right answer is a barber. What was the source of inspiration for Bismillah? Red Fort, Royal Palaces, Ganga Ghats? None. Right answer is Ganga Ghat. Thank you so much, students. Watch the video up to the end. It is very beneficial for your revision. Goodbye. Take care.